everyone, it's Neil, and welcome to my channel. And if you haven't played this game, there's something wrong with you, because this is like the greatest game ever. I used to have a really huge one, but then now I'm staying in the camper, so there's not a lot of space for it, so my son took that one with him. But I love Connect 4, so let's just check out this one here. I just picked this up on Amazon. I'm going to put a link to it in the description so you can kind of see how it is there, and let's just check it out. Hasbro Gaming here. So let's see how this is, and pretty cool. It comes with these little chips that look like bottle caps, and it comes with the red and yellow ones, so the traditional colors. And then here is the stand for it, and it comes with a put together yourself stand apparently. So let's check this out and see how it goes. So this is going to be the bottom. I don't even need instructions on this here, I don't think, because I've played this game before. So let's see. I think I don't need instructions, but I want it because I'm a doofus. Okay, look at this thing. Let's put it on over here. So there's the concept of it. So did I get it not in the right place? Oh no, it's in the right place. So if you go like this, it opens up, and you go like that, and it holds the pieces in place. So there you go. So that's the on-off, and then we have the sides of it. So this will go, you can kind of see it just fits right in. And there's one side. There's the other side, and there it is. It's all put together. So let's see how well the pieces slide in it. I haven't played it in a while, but let's see. Pieces bounce all nice. They slide super easy in there. We're good to go. Somebody's walking by. So here we go. We got the easy. Put it in there. And you see, so that's Connect 4. So I'm going to fill it up with all the pieces here. That was weird. Okay. So let's put all this in here. And it actually comes with some extras apparently. I guess. Oh wait, no, that's 3 rows and 3 rows. So that'll be the right amount of reds came in there. Now let's put in the yellows. And if you know how to play the game, you take turns putting in the pieces, right? You take turns putting these in, and then the goal is to get 4 in a row. So clearly the red has already gotten 4 in a row, but that's because I put them all in it first. It's an easy way to check to make sure all the pieces are here. Let's just fill it up. And 2 more pieces, and there we go, full up. So that's the whole thing. And then, so here's the instructions. If you really don't know how to play, you can take a screenshot of that and read it. But pretty much, well, they say the youngest player goes first. I'm always going to go last apparently because I am old. And that's kind of it. So, and it says the winner opens the thing. I've never seen some of these before. So the winner of the previous game gets to open it. And then they divide the discs and play again. Apparently the youngest always goes first, even if they're winning. I usually play like loser goes first or winner goes first or something like that. But pretty cool, like the game. So I'll put it back here in the box. So good place to store it. It fits back in the box pretty easy. And there it is, Connect 4. Thumbs up for me. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick it up for yourself. Super cheap. Be sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Bye.